welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing our nails because look at them. Ew. Girl, what have I been doing? I don't even know. But I must have been doing too much because why do they look like that? But anyways, first we are going to start off by removing our polish. We're going to take our acetone, pour it in our bowl, and then we are going to soak our nails. I realized while I was doing this process that I should have filed my nail polish off first and then soak my nails. As you'll see, I'll do that step after I file my nail polish off. But I did go in with this acetone that I got from Target. And as you see, I did this step completely backwards. So remember, remove your polish first with your e-file or regular file and then soak them in your bowl with the paper towel. The paper towel is just used so that you can soak up all the fumes and so they won't be in the air and so you won't get dizzy. Okay, so this is the part where I realized, why isn't my polish coming off? Because I need to file it first. So I want you guys to be better than me, not be like me. So first, file your polish off and then go in and soak your nails. And this e-file I got from Amazon. I will be sure to link it down below. Everything that I have the links for will be linked down below in the description box.
Bet you see stars. Bet you go far. Bet you levitate. Bet you be God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. See fire. Let you see stars.
Once we're done filing away our polish and soaking the gel off of our nails, we are going to take a buffer and just buff our nails so that way we have a soft surface so when we go to apply our Gel X. I got this buffer from, I believe, Sally's, but I'm sure you could find it at Target or your local beauty supply if there's no Sally's near you.
That you elevate, that you we got. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to put something up. We gon' fuck up the night. What's in these four walls? Protecting my love. Don't miss this roll call. Is you here on board? Show up, show up, show up, show up, show up, show up, show up. You Mr. Nasty, I clean it up. But when nobody's been, when nobody's been, have you ever had?
Next, we are going to take our Gelish pH bond and we are going to apply that to our nail. What this does is it dehydrates the nail so that there are no oils on your nails.
I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? We gon' fuck up the night. Get up, black light. Spaceships fly. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night.
And next, we are going to take our Gelish Foundation nail base gel and we are going to apply that to our nail. And then once we're done applying it to our nail, we're going to cure it in our LED lamp for about 10 seconds. Next, you want to go in with whatever nail tips that you have. I am using the acrylic nail tips by Model Ones, and I'm going in and finding the size that fits right for me. I got these off of Amazon, and you guys, let me tell you, they were so affordable. I had to snag them. I'll leave the link down below in the description box as well. To apply my nail tips, I went in with my Una Gel UV and LED nail gel glue, and I love this because I can just apply it straight out of the tube, and it goes right on, and it's super easy. This gel I got from Amazon, and it was also very, very affordable, which I love. And speaking of affordable, did anybody else shop the Prime Day? I'm scrolling on Amazon as we speak, and it's a few things that I have in my cart. Okay, Amazon can take all of my money right now. After I have finished applying my nail tips, I went in with my file and just kind of reshaped the nail a little bit. I wanted more of a stiletto nail, and these came just a little bit almond than I wanted them to. So that's what I'm doing here.
Feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Sonic, sexy products on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them hydraulics while I ride it. Got me acting hella thotty. So excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Leave it, no self-control.
What is your favorite part about doing your nails or getting your nails done? My favorite part is the polish. And here I'm going to go in with the V-Shine Gel Polish in the shade 1361. Y'all, just look how pretty this pink is. I swear it is the perfect nude pink. You need this in your nail polish collection, like today. Okay, click that link in my description box and grab this now. Once we have finished applying our polish, we are going to go ahead and cure our nails for about 60 seconds. I wanted something a little bit different this time, so I decided to use these rhinestones that I found in another nail kit that I've had for a couple of years. And I applied these to my nails. Usually I'm just a nail polish only kind of girl, but I was feeling a little bit spicy, so what the hey, why not? And to apply the rhinestones, I just use the same gel nail glue that we use to apply our nail tips. Once you've applied your rhinestones, you're also going to cure those in your UV lamp for about 10 seconds as well.
Oh yeah, we gon' fuck up the night. Take flight, blinding lights. Look it up. Bet you see stars. Bet you go far. Bet you never take. Bet you
And the most important part, do not forget to take a cotton pad and a little bit of alcohol and remove that tacky layer off of your nails, okay? Because if you don't, you'll have all types of dust all on your nails and they'll be ruined. Once you have removed the tacky layer off, you can go in and use any gel top coat that you have. I went in with my gelish top coat, and after I applied my top coat, I used cuticle oil.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher.
Y'all, I'm a bit extra, okay? I like to go in with a lot of cuticle oil and rub it all in my hands. And plus, this one that I got from Sally's, it smells really, really good.
I wanna go where nobody's been.
Okay, here are our finished nails. I think they turned out so cute. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, put a pink bow down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share with a friend, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.